I think the digital rendering clarifies the assembly sequence.
Agreed. The structural integrity holds up in the simulation.
We need to monitor the pressure during the shaping sequence here.
All right, I'll keep an eye on the diagnostics.
The golden fuselage takes shape. The robotic arm meticulously welds the steel gray framework, ensuring precision.
Check this hydraulic line against the 3D analysis. The tolerance seems too tight.
Pulling up the stress visualization now, it clears by 3 millimeters here.
All right, confirm that revision then.
Alignment check on section 4. The readout is stable at 0.05 millimeters.
We need to verify the stress points on this section before the next phase.
The tolerances look acceptable here, but let's cross-reference the material specs.
The motorized seats undergo rigorous testing, ensuring a smooth transition to the lie-flat position, the gold standard in aviation. The manufacturing process begins with the skeleton. Here, the structural frames are meticulously fitted.
Check the pressure on auxiliary line 4. It seems high.
Reading confirmed.
We need another strip right here.
Okay, I'll prep it while you finish that section.
Stable across the board. We can log this as a pass.
Inspection sequence 49 initiated.
Verify hole diameter tolerance.
Here we see the precise work of riveting the gold plating, a crucial step in the assembly process. Pressure stabilized at target, confirming readings.
Lines are secure, no seepage on the manifold.
Accented with gold, are meticulously arranged before final assembly.
Are the readings stable on panel 4?
Yes, within tolerance. Acknowledged.
On bolt 4.
Copy that. Moving to the next sequence.
Laser calibration reading is stable at 99.8.
Okay, cross-reference with the main assembly schematic.
Precision is paramount. Using these alignment guides, the triple seat rows are secured with exacting standards before the next stage of the golden workflow.
Final bolt secure.
Reading success parameters. Good to proceed, A.
The cabin lighting system undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring the soft white illumination perfectly complements the golden interior. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Clear. Lock engaged.
Confirmed you are good to proceed. Was rigorous testing, ensuring the perfect warm ambiance for the premium experience.
The high-speed brake test is a critical phase, ensuring the landing gear can handle maximum deceleration under controlled conditions.
Checklist reads complete. Flight instruments checked.
Confirmed. Maintain runway heading 280.